Okay, good morning students. How are you all? Fine. Welcome back to online classes again. In the previous classes, we are discussing how to solve the linear equations in one variable. Okay, na? How to solve the linear equations in one variable. Yes. Now, today we are going to solve the problems which are applied, that is applications of linear equations. How? See, for example, what must be added to 4 by 5? What must be added is what? Plus. To 4 by 5. So let it be x to give 7 by 9. What must be means x added to 4 by 5 to give 7 by 9. So we have to find out the value of x. See, before only I am telling again and again, this equal sign is a magic sign. So here we have left hand side and we have one more right hand side. If in the left hand side, if plus is there, if it is transferring to right side, it will become minus. If it is minus is there, it will become plus. If it is multiplication, then it will become division. If it is in division, then it will become multiplication. These 4 rules are very, very important. If you know these 4 rules, then the solving of linear equations will be very simple. Okay, na? Right. Please remember this. Right. Now, you see now, what must be added? See, always the problem should be like this. Let x be the number. Let x be the number. Here we added x. Now we should find out the value of x. 7 by 9 plus 4 by 5, it comes here minus 4 by 5. So what is the LCM? 9 5 ja 45. 9 5 times 5 9 times. Therefore 5 7 ja 35 minus 36. It is nothing but minus 1 by 45. That much. So what must be added? Minus 1 by 45 must be added. See whether it is correct or not. We have to check by ourselves. See now 4 by 5 minus 1 by 45. If you take left hand side, we should get 7 by 9. Then only our answer is correct. Okay, na? So very simple. Now 45, 5 9 ja, 9 4 ja, 36 minus 1. Then what happened? It will be equal to 35 divided by 45. Now you can 5 7 ja, 5 9 ja. Therefore what is the answer? 7 by 9. 7 by 9 means what? Right side, what is the answer is there? 7 by 9. Did you understand? So you have to do like this calculation. This is nothing but verification. What is this? Verification. Verification they will not ask, but for our self, for our satisfaction, whether we have done correct or not. Did you understand? Yes. Now some more problems we will do in a different manner. So this is simple. What should be added, or what must be subtracted, or what must be multiplied, or what must be divided like this. Okay, na? Maybe the signs may change. Okay, one more. Now one more question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeters. If its width means it is nothing but breadth, 2 3 by 4 centimeters. Then what is the measurement of length? What is the measurement of length? Very, very simple. You see, rectangle means you know, this is a rectangle. Length is how much? We don't know. Breadth is how much? Sorry. This is the length. Breadth B equal to 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeters. And total perimeter. Do you know what is the perimeter means? Perimeter means sum of the boundary lines. That's all. A sum of all sides. So what is the formula for that? 2 into L plus P. It is nothing but equal to, how much is there? 13 centimeters. Okay na? How much it is? 13 centimeters. Now 2 into L plus 2 into B. B is equals to what? 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 11 by 4 is equals to 13. Did you understand? Why I have done 2 into B equal to what? Just changing or converting to improper fraction. 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 11 11 by 4. Now 2 ones, 2 twos. Okay? Now 2 is the LCM, multiply throughout by 2. Otherwise, you can do 2L equal to, okay na? 13 minus 11 by 2. Now see, 2L equal to, what is the LCM? 2. 13 2 ja 26 minus 11. It is nothing but equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Now 15 by 2 means what happened? Now you see 2L equal to 15 by 2. Therefore length equal to 15 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equals to 15 by 4. Or you can 4 3 ja 12 3 by 4 centimeters. Okay na? 3 whole 3 by 4 centimeter. What is this? Length. Therefore, length equal to 3 whole 3 by 4 centimeters. So this is the answer. Okay na? So did you understand? Very simple. Perimeter of a rectangle is given as 13 centimeters. Breadth is 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter. Find the length. Find the length. So we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Did you know how to get 2 into L plus B? Very simple. From here to here, breadth. From here to here, length. Breadth, again length. Therefore 2 L's are there, 2 breadths are there. So like that only 2L, 2 into L, 2L plus 2B. B is nothing but, yes, convert to improper fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 4. So if you substitute 2L equal to 15 by 2 and L equal to 3 whole 3 by 4. Did you understand? So like this, these are the applications. Okay na? Applications of linear equations. Because only solving linear equations is not so important. Applications are very, very important. Okay na? Yes. So these are the applications on geometry. Okay? Geometry problems. Now, we'll see one more type of a problem applied for age problems. Do you know age problems? Yes. For example, Suresh is there and his daughter. Suresh and his daughter. Now, Suresh is 3 times his daughter's age. Okay, let you can write here, let X years. X years daughter means what about Suresh? 3 times. Times means what I told? Multiplication. Times means multiplication. After 5 years, their ages will be added. After 5 years means what? 3x plus 5. Here, x plus 5. Their ages added. Added means what? 3x plus 5 plus x plus y. Added to 66 years. Then find the ages of Suresh and his daughter. Find the present ages of Suresh and daughter. Very, very simple. You see now? Now 3x plus x. We can write it like this. 3x plus 5 plus x plus 5 is equals to 66. 3x plus x, 4x. Plus 5 plus 5, 10 equal to 66. 4x is equals to 66. What I told, plus 10, if it comes to the right side, it will become minus 10. Therefore, 4x equal to 56. X equal to 56 divided by 4. 4 1, 4 1, 4 6. Therefore, x equal to how many years? 16 years. What is x we have taken? Daughter's age. Therefore, you can write daughter's age. Age is x, age is equals to 16 years. And Suresh age 3x is equals to 3 into 16. How many years? 48 years. How many years? 48 years. Like this. Did you understand? Yes? Yes. So Suresh is 3 times his daughter's age. X years her daughter, therefore it will be 3x. Afterwards, after 5 years. After 5 years means from now. After 5. After 5 means what? I told before only. After means we should use plus. Ago means ago, before. For this we have to use negative sign. Did you understand? Times, product. For this we have to use multiplication signs. Divide. Divide is nothing but what? Division sign only. Distribution. Distribution is also division sign only. Okay na? So this is one of the applications of linear equations. So that is age problems. I hope you understood this. So I have shown one geometry problem, one age problem and one number problem. Okay na? So shall we go for exercise? Second exercise. So very simple exercise. Very simple exercise. You can understand slowly I will teach. Please write down the notes. Okay na? Yeah. If you subtract 1 by 2, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, therefore you can write, this is exercise 2.2, let the number be x. Now, what is telling? If you subtract half from a number means first number will come or 1 by 2 will come? Yes, first number will come. Yes, if you subtract half from a number, then what happens? And multiply the result by 1 by 2. Like this. How much you are subtracting? Half you are subtracting. And by what number you are multiplying? 1 by 2. This is the result. Clear? To give what? To get 1 by 8. Very, very simple. Now see one more time. And word problems means don't read total problem. Read just part by part. How? He has given that if half is subtracted from a number we don't know, therefore let the number be x. Now I subtracted half from the number. This result is multiplied by 1 by 2 to get 1 by 8. Did you understand? So don't read total problem, you will not understand only. Now very simple. Now take 1 by 2 inside. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 8. See, when you are solving like this linear equations, unknowns will be on the other side, one side, and numbers will be on the second side. Did you understand? If you are taking the variables on left hand side and the numbers will be on the right hand side. Now you see, x by 2 equal to 1 by 8. This minus 1 by 4, if it comes here, it will become 1 by 4. Now what is the LCM, please? Yes? 12 or 24? Anyone? Very, very simple. See, if you don't know means you can find out the LCM. So 4 equal to 2 into 2. 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Now take like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 and 2. Therefore common is what? 2. Here also common is what? 2. And one more extra is 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Therefore what is the LCM? 8. Now 8 how many times? Only one time. 1. Plus 4 how many times? 2 times. Okay na? Therefore what happened? X by 2 equal to 3 by 8. Therefore x is equals to yes, x is equals to 2 into 3 divided by 8. 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. Therefore x equal to how much? 3 by 4. Like this. Did you understand? Yes. What is the number? The number is 3 by 4. Sir, whether it is correct or not, how to verify ourselves? So very, very simple. So I will show here verification. This you can do or you can't. There is no problem. Just for your sake only. Now take LHS. X is nothing but 3 by 4 minus half into half. Now you can multiply. You can 4 is the LCM. 3 minus 2 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 8 is nothing but RHS. Okay? So like this you can verify your number. Okay? So what we got 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the number, then it is a correct only. Did you understand now? Yes. Please maintain the classwork. Write down the classwork. Yes. Next problem. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. That is equal to how much? 154 centimeters. Next, its length is, okay, you can take it like this, breadth, length. Let breadth be x centimeter. Let breadth be x centimeter. Now length will be what? The length is 2 more than twice. Length equal to 2 more than twice. That means what? 2x plus 2. More means plus. How much it is more? 2. Twice means 2 times of that length. Okay na? Like this. Now, he has given perimeter. So, you should find out the measurements of length and the breadth. Very, very simple. Now, you can see it is nothing but equal to 154 is equals to 2 into length is how much? 2x plus 2 plus x. Now 154 divided by 2 is equals to 2x plus x is 3x plus 2. Now what happened? 2 ones, 2 sevens are 14. Okay? 2 sevens are. Therefore 77 plus 2 if it comes here minus 2 equal to 3x. Therefore 75 equal to 3x. Therefore x equal to 75 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 5. Therefore x equal to 25. What is x equal to? Breadth. Therefore breadth equal to x equal to 25 centimeters and length equal to 2x plus 2, that is 2 into 25 plus 2. So 50 plus 2, it is nothing but 52 centimeters. What is this? Length. So length is 52 meters and breadth is 25 centimeters. If you want, you can verify yourself whether it is correct or not. Clear? By substituting, you will get the same answer. Understood? Yes. Yes, problems are very simple. Only thing is, I told you, you should read one line. Don't read all the lines together or at a time. The problem will be confused. If you are reading total problem, then you will be confused. Okay, na? So read part by part, then you will understand the problem. Next problem. The base of an isosceles triangle is. Do you know what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Yes, how many of you know? There are three types of triangles are there. One is isosceles triangle, one is equilateral triangle, and the last one is scalene triangle. Isosceles means what? Two sides are equal. Equilateral means what? All the sides are equal. How many sides will be there? Triangle means? Yes? 3 sides or 4 sides are? Yes, 3 sides. Very good. So 3 sides are in a triangle. If you take, these 2 sides are equal. AB, AC. That means what? AB will be equal to AC. This is an isosceles triangle. Now what happens? The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Base is how much? 4 by 3 centimeters. Base is how much? 4 by 3 centimeters. Next, what happened? The perimeter of the triangle is. Perimeter of the triangle is. Do you know perimeter? Yes. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides is equals to perimeter. Let AB equal to AC equal to x centimeters. Okay, na? Then perimeter equal to what happened? X plus 4 by 3 plus x is equals to perimeter. How much he has given? 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeters. So sum of all 3 sides. Why are the x and x? Isosceles means what I told? 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal or 2 angles are equal. But he is talking about the sides, therefore we have to talk about the sides only. Okay, na? Right. Now you see x plus x, how much? 2x equal to 15 into 4, 60. 60 plus 2, 62 by 15. Plus 4 by 3 will become minus 4 by 3. Any doubt is there, please? Yes. Now again, what is the LCM? 15. So 62 minus 5, 5 4 ja 20. Therefore, what happened? 2x is equals to 42 divided by 15. Therefore, x equal to 42 divided by 15 into 2. Now, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones. 3 5 ja, 3 7. Therefore, x equal to 7 by 5 centimeter. What is x equal to? What is x equal to? Side. So, this is also 7 by 5 and this is also 7 by 5. Clear? So one more time I'll explain. He has given the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 4 whole 2 by 15. Then if the base is 4 by 3 centimeters, find the measurements of the other two sides of a triangle. Now see, already I told you the perimeter is nothing but what? Sum of all the sides. If it is isosceles, whether it is equilateral, whether it is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means what happened? AB plus BC plus AC. If you take equilateral triangle, all sides will be same, therefore 3 into side we can say. Isosceles triangle means two sides, sum of two sides plus the third side. Okay na? Yeah. Now, if you do like this, what happens? X plus 4 by 3 plus x equal to 4 whole 2 by 15. Then 2x equal to x plus x is 2x. Now here, if you convert to improper fraction, that is 15 4 is 60 plus 2 62 by 15 plus 4 by 3. If it comes from left side to right side, it will become minus 4 by 3. Then 15 is the LCM. If you do 62 minus 20, then if you do 2x equal to 42 by 15, then x equal to 42 by 15 into 2. Just dividing, simplifying, we will get x equal to 7 by 5. Did you understand? I hope you understood the problem. So the two sides will be equal to 7 by 5 centimeters. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, this is the geometry problem. See, all we should know is connected with the geometry also, age problems also, number problems also. Okay na? Yes. That's what only. These are all applications. How to apply day-to-day life. That is very, very important. Application is only important. In the examinations also, application is only important. Solving directly problems is not so important. Okay? Yeah. Next problem. Sum of two numbers is 95. Now there are two numbers are there. Sum of two numbers is 95. One number is x. Therefore, what is second number? 95 minus x. Okay na? Right. If one exceeds the other by 15. If one exceeds the other by 15. How to write this? Anyone? One exceeds the other by 15. Therefore, x is equals to x plus 15. Where x is there, we have to write a x plus 15. Okay na? Then what happened? Find the numbers. So find the numbers. Very, very simple. Now you can write x plus 15 is equals to 95 minus x. Now minus x, if it comes here, x plus x equal to 95 minus 15. 2x is equals to 95 minus 5 is 80. Therefore, x equal to 80 by 2 equal to 40. Okay? Therefore, you see, 95 minus 40 means 55. 55 means what? 40 plus 15. Okay? Therefore, the numbers are 40 and 55. Okay na? Yes? Like this. Very simple. This is according to definition. One number is 15 more than the other. One number is 15 more than the other. Therefore, 40 plus 15 is nothing but 55. If you add, what you will get? 95 only. 40 plus 55, 95. Okay na? Right. So very simple problems. Only thing is you should practice. You practice 2 to 3 times, automatically you will get it. Okay na? Yes? Yeah. One more problem. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Two numbers are there. They are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18. So very simple. If they differ by 18. If they differ means what? So you can write out. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x. Differ means what? Difference. 5x minus 3x is equals to how much? 18. That's all. Then what are the numbers? Very simple. Now 5x means 2x is equals to 18. X equal to 18 by 2, therefore 9. Therefore the numbers are 5x, that is 5 into 9, 45. 3x, 3 into 9, 27. Therefore difference is how much? 18. Like this. Okay na? So they are in the ratio, two numbers are there whose ratio is 5:3. Therefore the numbers be 5x and 3x. They differ. Differ means their difference is how much? 18. So 5x minus 3x, that is 2x equal to 18 and x equal to 18 by 2. Therefore it gives 9. Now here you can see the numbers. 5x means 5 into 9, 45. 3x, 3 into 9, 27. If you see the difference, it is nothing but 18 only. Did you understand? Yeah. So very simple problems. You need to understand what he has given and what he is asking. Okay na? So these are only applications where in what way we are applying in day-to-day life. Okay. So this linear equation, this branch of mathematics is very, very important. This algebra, the branch of mathematics which deals with constants and variable with fundamental operations, it is very, very important. Yes. 3 consecutive integers add up to 15. Yes. Do you know what is the meaning of consecutive? Anyone? Yes? Consecutive means what? Do you know? Don't know? Consecutive means what? Continuously. For example, you see, if I start from 1, for example, afterwards what will come? 2. Afterwards, 3. So instead of like this, I will take the first number bx. What is the second number? What is the difference between 2 and 1? 1. Therefore, what it will be? X plus 1. Next one, 2 and 3. What is the difference between first and third? 2 difference is there. Therefore, directly you can write x plus 2. Add up to. Add means what? We should add them. Yes? Their sum otherwise. Now you see x plus 1 plus, you can keep bracket, and x plus 2. Add up to how much? 51. Find those 3 numbers. Very, very simple. You see now? What he has given? 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutive means what? Consecutive, continuous numbers. Whatever. I have taken here 1, 2, 3. You take 4, 5, 6. You can take 10, 11, 12. No problem. But what I have taken, this is very, very important. One is x. Second one will be x plus 1. The difference will be 1 only. Correct or not? Next number also 1. X plus 1 plus 1. So it will become x plus 2. Add up to means it is nothing but sum only. Now you see x plus x. How much it is? 3x. Plus 1 plus 2, 3 equal to 51. Okay na? Now you can see 3x is equals to 51. Plus 3, if it comes to right side, it will become minus 3. 3x equal to 51 minus 3, 48. Therefore, x equal to 48 divided by 3, it will become 16. Did you understand? Now, first one is what? 16. Second one, 16 plus 1. Third one, 16 plus 2. That means what? 16, 17 and 18. You can add. Whether you will get 51 or not, you can check by yourself. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 1. 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Like this. So, this is the method to verify our answer. No need to ask. If you do like this, what happens? You will get confidence. Your confidence level will increase. Okay? Did you understand? Yes. Yes, one more problem. Last problem today's. We'll see. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means what? First one will be x. Multiples of 8. One is 8. Next one will be 16. Next one will be 24. What is the difference? When you add 8 to it, that's much only. Therefore, first one will be x. Second one will be x plus 8. Third one will be x plus 16. Now add up to how much it is? 888. No, simple. X plus 8 plus x plus 16 equal to 888. Let the numbers be. Let the numbers be x plus 8, x plus 16. Now 3x is equals to 888 minus 8 plus 16, 24. Okay, now? Now 24 means what happened? Yes, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, like this. Therefore, x equal to 864 divided by 3. Then what happened? 3 2 ja 6, 26, 3 4 ja, 3 8 ja and 3 8 ja. Therefore, the numbers are 288 plus 8, 296 plus 8. How much it is? 304. Therefore, these are the numbers. You can verify. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 8. 10 plus 8, 18. 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, again 18. 1. 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. That's all. Did you understand? I hope you understood all the problems. Write the classwork, okay, neatly. Don't send in WhatsApp, okay. Next class will take care.